first words out of the mouth of our Savior aren't words of anger or bitterness. It's a prayer. Father, forgive them. Ooh, couldn't have been me. No, I would have been, Father, fry them. Every last one of them with extra lightning bolts. But look at our Savior. He's modeling something that is central to Christianity. It is the real F word. Forgiveness. Forgiveness. Forgive. Now, the thing, hear me, that everybody wants to receive but nobody wants to give. Forgiveness, forgiveness. How many know if there was one word that we could reduce our faith to, there's so many options we could choose from. We could reduce it to faith. We could reduce it to grace. We could reduce it to love. But I submit to you that if you were to reduce our faith to one thing, it would be forgiveness. Forgiveness. You cannot be a Jesus follower and not live a life of forgiveness. And it blows my mind that the first thing that Jesus did on the cross is the last thing that the people of the cross want to do, which is to forgive. Come on, can we be honest? Forgiving is hard. Forgiving is hard. It is so hard to forgive people. It is hard. It is easy to keep a grudge. It is easy to have bitterness. It is easy to get revenge. It is easy to pay people back. It is easy to hit unfollow or block. It is easy to let them know what you really think about them. It is easy to punch them right back. It is easy to talk about their kids and their mama. It is easy to betray them. It is easy to keep rehearsing it and rehearsing it and rehearsing it and rehearsing it like it's a Netflix movie and rehearsing it. It is easy to retell it and let everybody know what they did to you. Oh, come on, y'all gonna be quiet on Father's Day. You know that's how we do. Don't you hate it when somebody celebrates the person you can't stand? One honest person. You can't stand Susie. She did you wrong. And here's somebody say, oh, Susie's so wonderful. And you're like, oh, is she? Let me tell you about Susie. It is hard to forgive. It is so hard. Don't miss the message today. I am not postulating that it is easy to forgive. It is hard to forgive. Like I'm talking about giving birth to a 14-pound baby with no epidural hard. Passing a kidney stone hard. That's how hard forgiveness is. I just want to make sure my metaphors hit everybody and that you're clear. Because one thing that kidney stones, babies, and forgiveness have in common, it hurts when it has to come through you. Forgiveness is not just hard. It hurts when it has to come through you. Ironically, it's healing when it comes to you. Isn't that interesting? That forgiveness hurts to give, but it's healing to receive. And ladies and gentlemen, the gospel is not just receiving forgiveness. The gospel is also giving forgiveness. I love what Charles Spurgeon says. He says, we come to the cross to be forgiven, but we stay at the cross to be forgiving. What is this great mind, Spurgeon, letting us know? What the scriptures let us know is that forgiveness is not just something that can flow to you. It is something that must flow through you. Freely I have received, freely I must release it. Freely I have been given, freely I must give it. Forgiveness must flow to you and then through you, to you and through you. So here's my big question on Father's Day. You ready? Drum roll. How's your flow? How's your flow? How is the flow of forgiveness flowing through you? Or have you stopped with just receiving it from Jesus, but you refuse to give it? I want to know today, how's your flow? How's your flow? Is there a hurt that's blocking your flow? A betrayal? Somebody that lied on you? Somebody that cheated you? Is that hurt blocking your flow of forgiveness? I want to know, Who are you holding hostage in unforgiveness? Not even realize that you're the one that's behind bars. My prayer for you today is that you would look at the cross and see the words of Jesus. The first word he says is, Father, forgive them. I'm praying today that something would shift in you. And maybe, just maybe, you can finally sing that powerful church hymn written by the psalmist, Elsa of Arundel. Let it go, let it go. We laugh at that, but you can't think of let it go and not think about Frozen and Elsa. But here's what blows my mind. Many of our lives mirror sister girl Elsa. Because remember, she got the worst fatherly advice ever. Go back and watch the movie. She got the worst Disney father advice ever. I want to punch her daddy in the face. He gave her horrible, horrible advice. See, that's why I rock with Mufasa. Because Mufasa gave Simba good advice. Shout out James Earl Jones. Everywhere the light touches is our kingdom. I like that. That's good advice. Do you remember what Elsa told her daddy told her? Gave her the gloves and told her, conceal it. Don't feel it. Don't let it show. What kind of messed up advice is that? You know how many people do that when it comes to hurt, when it comes to offense? Conceal it. Don't feel it. Don't let it show. And you keep burying that pain, and you keep burying it, not realizing it is poison on the inside of you, affecting you. Nowhere in the Bible does it say conceal it. Don't feel it. Don't let it show. That's why I love what Paul says to the church at Ephesus in Ephesians chapter 4, verse 31. It is the antithesis of conceal it. Don't feel it. Look at what he says. Get rid of all bitterness. Let it go. Get rid of it. Rage, anger, harsh words, and slander, as well as all types of evil behavior. Instead, be kind to each other, tenderhearted, forgiving one another. Forgiving? I can't forgive, Lord. How do I do it? Paul, that's too hard. I can't forgive them. I'm not finished. Just as God through Christ has forgiven you. Do you see Paul? He's talking about that flow. Forgiveness flows to you. It must flow through you. How's your flow?